everybody, it's Carol. Today we got a fun video. So sit back and relax. Stay a while. So today I'm going to show you tips and tricks, and I have my dear friend Marlene, Fab and Glam Over 50. She is very, very unique with her purple hair, but she's also a school teacher, and you know how I love school teachers. I just gravitated to her the minute I met her. And she is just a real doll, and she does the greatest tutorials. She loves a full cover, and she'll show you exactly how she puts on her makeup to cover everything full, to do a full coverage. And she's always got like good tips and good products. So I would just be so happy if you went over and said hi to her and subscribe and tell her I said hi. She would love it. So I can't wait to go over and see your video, Marlene. So let's get on with this video. Here we go. All right. I have a couple of tips and tricks for you. Let's start off with the first one. Now, when you're doing your eyebrows and your pencil isn't dark enough, if you go in the reverse direction, your pencil will show up darker because it's going against the hair and it has more to stick on, and it will be darker. Go in the opposite direction. Second tip is you don't always have to brush your eyebrows up. Everybody says brush them up, brush them up, brush them up, put soap on them. I brush mine down because if I brush them down, the height that it is the perfect height for my eyebrows. If I brush them up, it's going to be too high. So don't fall into that brush your brows up. You don't have to. This happens to be a MAC eyebrow pencil in spiked, I think. Spiked. I have never tried a MAC eyebrow pencil, but this is amazing. I believe I got it in a beauty box. I am so impressed. It sticks. It just, you see, it's even hard to rub off. It really sticks. You put it on, you could just draw exactly what you want. It's just, it's an amazing pencil. It's thin and it's potent. I love this. Okay, I'm going to show you some tips what you can do with all your beauty sponges that are dupes that didn't work out. They're too hard. The shape is not right. I'm going to show you some tips what to do with them. Let me show you my beauty sponges. Let me gather them all up. Oh, this is not a beauty sponge. This is for the microphone. I guess I could do a video using the microphone foam covers. They might work. How many beauty sponges do you have that you tried that are just too hard? Like, I don't know where I got this. It says chapstick. But it's too hard. It's not soft enough for my liking. This one. It's too hard. And I never liked this shape. These are good. These are Real Techniques. This is too hard. This is from Pure, and it's just too hard. So let me show you what I do with my beauty sponges that are too hard. Number one, when I am touching up my hair, I sometimes spray it right on there, and then I touch up. So I take the hard beauty sponge that didn't work out for makeup, and I use it to touch up my gray. That is a great, great thing to do with it. Okay? Next, I'll take a hard sponge that I don't like to use for makeup, and when I'm cleaning my brushes, I wet it, soap it up in my Zote soap, and I'll show you a picture of my Zote soap. And then I scrub it on here. I just scrub it on there, rinse it, scrub it, rinse it. And you can take this with you on a trip. It's easy to stick into your makeup purse. I just rub all around it and it cleans it perfect. So that's another thing that I do with my hard beauty sponges. These sponges are amazing. They come in a pie and a round circle. Oh, they all fell out. But these were all in a round circle, and these are soft as anything. These are perfect for you touching up little makeup and everything. Here's one. I'll put links down below where I got these too. These are wonderful, wonderful. They're soft. They fit right in there. They're just great. They're really a great sponge. I just like to collect beauty applicators. Okay, let me show you what else I do. So one was for the hair touch-up, and the other one was to wash your brushes. Third, okay, now see this? Too hard. Too hard. But I can cut it. You can cut your beauty sponges. Now, here's a piece that I cut off of this one. I cut this one up. There, and I cut another slice. It's like cold cuts. You just keep cutting, slice. Okay, I'll show you. Alright, here's one. If I want to make this 2 flat sides and then razor sharp. Now, maybe I don't want it razor sharp. Maybe I want it a little flat. And that works great. If it's still too hard for you, take the little pieces. The little pieces seem to be a little softer once they're cut. And then you could use the little pieces. You can cut up any of these and make little mini beauty sponges. You could slice them and cut them. This happens to be a very good shape right now. It's here and here. It's flat on the top and it's round on the bottom. This would get into every area. This is a great one. I take a chance all the time and I always get duped because they're not always as good as they say they are. Now this one's not bad, peak, but I still would like a flat side, so I'm going to cut this. Now, look at that. That's got a flat, and it's got the curve, and it's got the round. I think this I'd make more use out of, because it's kind of soft. I'd make more use out of having a flat side there, and I could do 2 flat sides. How do you like that? I like that better. I think I like this shape. Yeah, I think I like this shape. This is a good shape. Never leave a scissor on the couch. Okay? Somebody could sit and... So here are the pieces I took from the pink one. And they're soft. And you could just use them to clean up your makeup. You know, if you need a really small one. So that's what I do with my beauty sponges that just don't work out. Now you see this one here? I don't know. I think I would just go like this. It's kind of fun doing this though. I like a flat side. And here, let's cut that. Alright, and let's get a little... Alright, that's better. That's better. This way, and then you've got the flat top, and then you've got round bottom, and then you've got this curve. I don't know. I don't really like the curve, but that makes more use out of it. And here's the piece that fell. So now you've got a little beauty sponge that you can use for your hair or your face, or I got another idea for you. Let's say you want to put some sparkles on your nails, but every time you do, it seems that you don't get enough sparkles. This is what you do. You take a piece of an old beauty sponge, and you take your polish, and you polish that. Now, when it's on there, you take make believe this is your nail, your fingernail. And when you do that, you're going to get mostly the sparkles and not the clear liquid that it's in. You're going to get mostly the sparkles. Some of these polishes, you need like 5 coats before you even see them. So this is what I do. I take one of these, I take this, and shake the bottle up. Now, when I put this on, it just seems like it takes forever because of the clear liquid. So if you do that and then put it on your nail, just the sparkles will come off. And you just do that a few times and you won't get a buildup of the clear. You just keep getting the sparkles. It's a great tip. And I usually use it with one of these things. So either that thing or you take one of your little sponges. So I would just take the sponge and the polish. Now you see so much liquid. Well, the liquid will get absorbed and you'll just be left with the sparkles. So you'll take this and put this right on your nails like that. And you can keep doing that without having to get all this clear polish on your nails, and then it's just going to build up because it'd be too many coats. So that's what I would do when I do a sparkly polish. Oh look, this says Beauty Blender, but I guarantee this is a fake. Gets me so mad. Yeah, that's a fake. So I'm going to cut this up. Now I could cut it. I like this shape though. I like this shape. I like this shape. I could do another one too. Ooh, I got 3. I got her curved and I got 3 sides. I would use this to do my glitter polishes, or I would use it to touch my roots up. So those are my tips for the day. And I want to thank Marlene, Fab Glam Over 50, for doing this collab with me. And if you want some more tips and tricks, I would run over to see Marlene. She would just love it. And while you're there, why don't you hit the boop boop and the boop boop? That would be so great. Have a wonderful week. I love you so much. And remember, you are beautiful and stay powerful.